Hi guys, just this is I've got the VSC light on Lexus IS220D 2006 model UK, and the light is on. Basically is and traction light comes on, but is because this is a problem with EGR valve is clogged up. So basically we need to clean this up and sort out the problem. So I'll show you the actually EGR what we done so far, just outside. And basically this is EGR valve. We open it from here. This, as I said, this is 2006 model. You can see is really clogged up, and this is where it was. We open the solenoid on the system, and this is solenoid basically, and this is the gas going to exhaust. So we need to trying to we saw a lot of soot, very sedimented, very clogged, and we cleaned it up at the moment. You will see, you can see the valve, and we're trying to sort out the problem. And this is the solenoid which we separated, and when we clean this one, we should see this lot of soot. You can see we clean up a lot of heavy sorted to sort out the problem. When we connect it, it should sort out the problem. Plus, and we need to clear the code later on. We need to clear the code as well. Yeah. Thank you, and subscribe to see my other video as well. Alright, thank you. Bye.